Welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then kindly subscribe, like and watch. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back. Today we are going to solve problem 3.12. The statement of problem is that a torque of 1000 Newton meter is applied at point D as shown. So you can see this is a point D and a torque of 1000 Newton into meter is applied. The diameter of shaft AB is 56 millimeter. So this is shaft AB. You can see this is shaft AB and its diameter is 56 millimeter. And that diameter of shaft CD. So this is diameter of shaft CD and that is 42 millimeter. So you have to determine maximum shearing stress in shaft AB and shaft B, CD. So let's start with the given data. So as we have given that torque in at point D is 1000, so torque is equal to 1000 Newton into meter, and this will be the torque in shaft CD. Clear? Also, you can see the diameter of shaft AB, that is also given as 56 millimeter. So, and diameter of shaft CD is 42 millimeter. 42 millimeter. Now from figure you can see that the radius of this shaft is 40 and the radius of this gear is 100 millimeter. So radius of C is equal to 40 mm and radius of this B is equal to 100 mm. So you have to find, the first part is that maximum shearing stress in shaft AB, and the second part is maximum shearing stress in shaft CD. So let's start with its solution. Now you can see that these gear are in contact, these are the meshed gear. So at the point of contact the force will be the same. So force in this shaft CD or the force at point C in gear C is equal to force in gear B. Clear? Now how can you find force in C and force in in B? So as we know that this shaft is having torque 100, so we know that torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. So force is equal to torque divided by perpendicular distance, which in this case it is radius. So a force will be equal to T over C. Now in this gear the FC will be equal to TCD over RC, and in B it will be TAB over RB. Clear? So we have TCD, we have RC, we have RB. So we do not have TAB, so we can calculate TAB. So TAB will be equal to RB divided by RC into TCD. Now you have the value, you know that TRB is 100, RC is 40 and TCD is 1000. So TAB comes out to be 2500 Newton into meter. So this is the torque in shaft AB. Now we will calculate the shearing stress in shaft AB and in shaft BC. So first shaft AB, for shaft AB. So we know that maximum shearing stress in shaft AB is equal to T into C divided by T into C divided by J. Or you can also say that it is equal to 2T over pi C cube. Clear? Now C for shaft AB is equal to what? We have diameter of shaft AB is 56. So CAB, C will be equal to 56 over 2. So C will be equal to 56 over 2, and that will be equal to 28 millimeter. Or if you convert into meter, it will be 0.028 meter. So you can easily put in this formula. So tau max in shaft AB is equal to 2 multiplied by 1000 divided by pi into 0.028 whole cube. So once you calculate the maximum shearing stress, tau max is equal to, in AB, comes out to be 72.50 into 10 raised to power 6. You can say that it is 72.5 megapascal. So this is the answer of our part first. The second part is the same as we solved the part first. So for shaft CD, we know that C in case of CD is equal to diameter of CD divided by 2, which is equal to 42 divided by 2 is equal to 21 or millimeter, or if you convert into meter, it will be 0.021 meter. Now tau max in CD will be equal to 2T over pi C cube. So we have 2 multiplied by 1000 divided by pi multiplied by C is 0.021. So if you calculate tau max in CD, this comes out to be 68.7 into 10 raised to power 6 Pascal. So it will be 68.7 megapascal. So this is the answer of part 2. So conclusion is that the maximum shearing stress in shaft AB is 72.5 megapascal, while maximum shearing stress in shaft CD is 68.7 megapascal. So this was all about problem 3.2.